fire and the refining, and then comes out as this beautiful artifact. When and how have you been refined, Zamani? Because to us looking from the outside, it looks beautiful. The glitz, the glam, the fame, the money, the impact, the influence, the roles. Have you been suffering with loss that we don't necessarily know about?
I have, and that I have a very supportive support structure. I have people that are close to me that really and genuinely care about the person that I wish to become. As a human being, I have days. We all have days. But I think self-awareness iyona into ehamba phambili. So because iyona into ehamba phambili, I know what if ngizizwa kanje ngiyazi ukuthi okay, this is what's happening, and I know who to contact.
Yeah.
Mangibona ngathi ngiyahluleka in anything, whether it's work or sometimes you wake up sometimes stuff doesn't make sense. I know who to contact, I know who to reach out to, and to those people uNkulunkulu uyazi inhliziyo yami ukuthi ibonga kangakanani to have them in my life.
Yeah.
So there has been times, ngabe ngiyaphosisa mangase ngikubalele, but there's been times, we're all human beings, it happens. Again, sometimes you wake up, you feel like today doesn't make sense. Sometimes you wake up, you feel like today it makes sense. So I think with me, it started off as seasons, but then I realized that seasons were taking a lot from me, because then I would stay a whole season ngingekho right. Then I said, I have to, fanele ngifunde ukuthi ngizo, how am I reacting to things? So I think the biggest highlights of which was a snake shedding for me was 2020. And I feel like we all went through what we went through.
Sure.
But again, super grateful for the fact that I found other aspects of ukuthi ngingakwazi ukwenzani and tap into levels that I never thought ukuthi ngafika khona.
Sure.
So it was 2020, and then I was alone. I had things that I never thought were a trigger or were a grief, was part of somehow grief nyana, until I was alone for that long, because I couldn't go home. But obviously home was there, ngeke phone. But I've said that I'm super grateful for ukhuliswa by people abangikhulisile. But if I'm being honest with myself, there is a huge part that I feel like if ubaba wayekhona would have helped me navigate ngendlela ethile.
Yeah. Does it feel like sometimes I wish I could just give Dad a phone call about this particular matter?
Yeah.
Ne?
100%.
How do you reconcile that you can't?
I pray.
Ne?
Because I know he's there. Ngumuntu wezinto zabaphansi also. So
yes.
I pray. Sometimes I dream of him. Yeah.
They never truly leave us.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
100%. Young teen.
Yeah.
I never thought it was young teen, but it's like, I think in teen because I'm super grateful, because I can feel that at least I couldn't avoid. Yes, there's ukufisa that ngangafisa ngazo kungenzeka ngendlela engenzeka ngapha, but it didn't. But now I'm grateful. So again, I've had seasons and stages where it was grief. From grief, it went to being angry. From being angry, it went to actually understanding. From understanding, it went to being grateful.
You have amazing sisters, you have amazing aunts, you have amazing friends, which shows that in our grief, in our seasons, losing a dad, I lost my mom in 2015. There is always somebody there that God will prepare to stand in the gap. Not fill a void, but stand in the gap to be there for you. Because for you to be Lo Zamani Mbatha namhlanje, whom you were born Zamani Mbatha, and now it's a brand, it's a personality. It's because there were people who were intentional about loving you. So we can't live in this wallow of sadness all the time. Speaking of that family, your family displays a strong sense of unity, something that many of us desire that we don't have. And I think somebody watching this can connect with that. Why is it so important for you and your sisters, be it your older sisters, your younger brother, believe so much in having a united front?
I think, if anything, once again, I look at everything from the frames of gratitude, and with that said, bakhona abantu bayafika to obviously play the roles that we feel we were robbed at a point in time. But for me, it's eternally grateful once again, for the fact that umawami stood in the place of ubaba. My mom played ubaba wami, because mina ubaba angimazi akekho at all, like akekho doesn't, like futhi kunalento leyazi elokishini ukuthi ubaba wayekhona kwakubaba wakho thizeni kwakuyilo yababa lo. So I think having such a strong structure be by my side hasn't only been something. The reason I keep sounding grateful is because I know as to how much they've shaped me to become the person that I am today. I have women that actually stood by my side, abangikhulisile, and that's why there's a level of ukuthi khamba kugcinephi ukuhlonipha umuntu wesifazane, khamba kugcinephi ukuhlonipha umuntu whether mncane or mdala, khamba kugcinephi ukuhlonipha the people that were my cousins but played the brother role. Because yes, we do have those people, we have those close relationships, and but it takes specific and special individuals to actually play a big brother role. Because I don't feel like nguputomta, but I don't feel like nguputomta because I believe that kuno putabadala gnam and no putbam, and it's not from ugu or, but it's literally from uguti.
They were intentional about
100%, and they still are till date.
They
still are till date. We siyahlala masingahlala usibone mhlawumbe ungafika usifice you would think zelwe sonke ndawonye we're all the same age. But when it's time to obviously turn around, siyabizana eceleni emfethu yazi kunento ekanje engamile kahle la bafo awungisize ngokuthi angu-advise la usenza kanjani. Sometimes nami to the big brothers that I have, imina umuntu obuya bobhuti omdala futhi, sometimes mina umuntu obuya beyingane. So I think yes, intention is very much important, because then you understand ukuthi kufanele udlale yiphi role when, so if I say ukuthi manje mangizwe ngokuthi kufanele ngibe ingane manje ngibhedile, kunento engiyenzile and they are not very much happy with it, ngizoyidlala indima yokuba ingane encane ngikhuzeke. Yes. And then makumele kushintshe, and it's like, no but le nto yabhedi bengafanele ngakwenze kanjani, kancane sikhulume la eceleni 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 alright sharp afo ngiyakuzwa, hayi soyilungisa kanje, silungisa nje nasi silungisa kanje, special njani lapho alright sharp senza kanje, then we are back to regular programming.
I want to speak about your siblings, because that's the part of your family that you guys have chosen to share with us on the internet, even though it's very brief, because you can't give us your private life like that, and fairly so, because your private life belongs to you and no one else. How does one reconcile, or is it a privilege to be able to grow up in a life, becoming an adult, having a sister as great and as respected externally like Nomzamo? Because for other people who don't have united families, it's actually a sore point. But to you, when I look at the front that you guys give us, it looks like it's in fact one of the greatest privileges of your life.
Wow. Unomzamo has always been a inspiration is an understatement. I'm always amazed by the way she moves, the work that she does. And I'm so grateful and so proud of, you know, the person that she has become and the person that has played such a role to shape all of us, you know, as Emhlabeni and also as Nasemdenini and just me as an individual. So much so that to the people that wish to succeed and have, to those that genuinely wish to have and be in the shoes that I'm in, ngiyakufisela wonke umuntu to have someone like her by their side. That's how great, like it angeke ngize ngiqamba amanga.
Yeah.
I think again, inspiration is an understatement, and she's, wow, you know, whether siyakhuluma ngako and figure mhlambe mathiwa kunento engixakile siyakhuluma ngako or not, I think it's a huge blessing. It's a huge blessing to have someone okanjeyana be umuntu ongambuka ngaphandle as a stranger and say, wow, I'm inspired. And then abuya ngene futhi endlini and you say, wow, I'm inspired. Because then I'm also amazed by the fact that like she's able to do things ngaphandle and be the person that she is ngaphandle, but also at the same time have and I respect her for that, and have a backbone ukuthi abuye endlini
And be human.
and be umuntu that she needs to be. Again, intention. You know, so I think super grateful for the fact that useduze kwami, and I wish it for wonke umuntu who literally looks at the people that we are and say, wow, ngiyayifisa le nto. I wish that it happens to you. Once again, it's something that I wish for anyone that genuinely wishes to, you know, be in a position, and it's not just ukuthi ubufisa ukuthi kungaba mnandi kangakanani.
Yeah.
Kuyaba kubi nakhona kunzima, but I think again ukwazi ukuthi sithole indlela and still come back and be intentional about everything.
I know there's many, because I can sense from your hearts right now that there's so much she's done for you guys, whether it be tangible or just by being herself. Especially for you to become the person that you are. Would you say there's a moment that stands out? You're like, yo, siswami kodwa ngeke. How could she love me so much to be this for me?
There are moments, you know. We have a routine of siyabonana every week, whether it's over a braai or dinner or just uphuma shawumoya, and I think I found myself so much so that in moments I find myself also reflecting ukuthi hayibo kwaze kwakuhle uNkulunkulu ngiyabonga, then it's back to whatever it is esenzayo.
Yeah.
So ukuba naye kanjalo, it happens a lot, you know. It's not just her, you know. Khona nomfana sekamncane, khona sosami futhi omdala. It's moments akanjalo where it's like siyavumelana nakhona, okay guys, somebody ukuthi sisiphume nje soba u4.
Yeah.
You know, siphume soba u4 sambe siyoxoxa sibone senza kanjani.
Yes.
Sibone nje senza kanjani. But there are moments, you know, I have my moments here and there where it's like siyahlala maswe sihleli sonke, and it's like, wow, thank you God. Then ikubuyela back to
Your younger brother, interesting enough, there's an element of a big brother that you have to play to him, whether you choose to or not. There's an element of being a role model that you have to play, whether you like it or not. How much does it matter to be a good brother to him? Because he's younger and he's still finding himself.
What an incredible human being also. Butwami umfana nje oshayi, ohloniphelayo, nesizotha, not loud, uyayithulela. Again, intentional about everything. And I think because in ngihlalile naye, I don't have things that I can pick out and say, oh yeah, this is when I realized that he understands the respect that I was teaching him. This is when he realized hard work yonke balekile more than anything. But I think because ngiphile naye, and I'm proud of how much he's allowed himself mentally also to ukuthi ehlise ingqondo and not think of ezinye izinto outside of what I'm trying to teach him, because sometimes isandla siyaqina, sometimes siyathamba. So having him be able to know ukuthi okay, la ngibhedile ngempela uboy sibizana ngoboy la ngibhedile ngempela hayi uboy ubeqinisile right sharp ayikodwa boy la angiphathanga kahle boy ngiya understand ukuthi ngenzela ukuthi but angiphathanga. So I think because respect, of which is inhlonipho, was the first thing that I was ever taught as a child. So passing it down to my brother, and especially with the responsibility of having him move to eGoli azohlala nami, that was the one thing that I taught him. I said respect to catch you for, respect to open every door, olfisa ukuthi ivuleke.
Sure.
That's the first thing. Isizotha ehlisa umuntu understand ukuthi akacabanga ngendlela ocabanga ngayo, and don't put and think ukuthi. So all the things that I've taught him, he took them, you know, surprisingly so, because then akuzange uzokube lula for yena to take any of the things when the times where isandla sasiqinile, he didn't take anything as ukumhlukumeza. He took everything.
I get you. I love that. Because the premise of the relationship is I love you, I respect you, and I care for you. Even when I'm playing the big brother now who has to be strict sometimes and be corrective, you must know that it's from a place of love still.
100%. He knows.
And vice versa, because just because we are older doesn't mean we are always right. Now you are able to be humble enough, even though he's young, when he says, I don't like this. I don't like how you said that. And I think we struggle as the older ones to accept that.
And funny enough, ngenza into ma yenza kumina.
Yeah.
So I would be wrong. And then mangikhala. I'm sure we've all gone through like that. Mangikhala. Then it's like, mawuqeda ushaya then kuba naleyo nto engathi uphatheka kabi. Futhi was I mean now sweet. Yabo so inteka.
Ngenza ngikushaya now sweet.
Now we are paid. I you know, so I think naye kukanjalo weside. Noma kuthiwa ngadina kanjani, but mangiphekile I'm like ngiyazi uthanda cheese and say I'm going to have to add a bit more cheese. Ngifake cheese, then I grate it and 5 pesos because I feel bad, but also at the same time it's like I really hope you understand with being Zamukti.
Yeah.
I'm proud of him. I'm proud of him as a young man and how far he's come, and also how much he sees himself. You know, we are uyazi, like he knows, and he knows also nakhona like mangathiwa wena ukhuluma nami kunentethile uzothi hey baf boy ngathi akasekho right. You know, and again ihamba kanjani, it's from me, it's from him. Abone mina ngiyakwazi ukubona uzamo uyakwazi ukubona uwendi. You know, and konke lokho ngingayithatha zonke imbali esemhlabeni nginikeza uma, because then uma uyena who taught us ukuthi, because if uma bengasithethisa should ukuthethiswa bengengize ngikwazi, and next time mangithethiswa ngaphandle bekuzongithusa, but because bekuthethiswa endlini nakhona at the same time futhi kuyahlekwa endlini yabo kumnandi, so ngiyazi ukuthi kwenziwani. And then I think the one thing that that we have taught each other is how you react to izinto mazenzeka.
Correct. So you guys are actually a sounding board for each other's mental health, because you're able to say, I'm struggling with this, I can talk to you about it. You're also able to accept correction when somebody brings correction to you, because I'm being corrected inside the house. I'm sometimes being shouted at inside the house, because that's a reality. People shout at each other, be it somebody on the road or whatever. But because you've experienced it at home, you now have healthy methods of how to react to it. You won't get shouted at and you shout louder. Sometimes you realize, hey, I pushed the boundary, so I deserved that one. I deserved that bit of a that bit of a ruffle. Your eldest sister as well, because I love what you guys have with your siblings. She seems to be louder than all of you guys.
She went from actually being Pumasilwe to saying, okay, no, lo yahlanya lo miyeke lo.
Yes.
Lo msothe kanje.
Yes.
Lo enza kanje. Again, intention, because we are good. This is what I need to apply here now. Because in Gals that I would apply 10 years ago, because she was a different person 10 years ago.
Correct.
She was a different person 10 years ago.
Absolutely.
Than she is now.
Yeah.
So, oh, okay. Why you Pumasile, but now she's no longer Pumasile. Now she's Now she says, no, it's not worth it. Because
Reasoning,
I think
yeah.
reasoning now.
Yeah.
It's also nakona siyakhula.
Yeah.
And we are realizing, no, man, ezinye izinto, no. Okay, so I was told if I was told when uzongithola kanjani. So it's fine. Sharp, askis. Sorry.
Yeah.
So she's that person now. And I think Leonto, uyasiza kakhulu because then uyayidlulisa kuthina
Correct. Correct. She's demonstrating that ability to say it's not every war I'm invited into I have to participate in. And many times for people of influence like you guys, because God has gifted you guys with influence. Whether you like it or not, it's there. You have to know how to use it.
Yeah.